Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be learning a worship song in the key of E. It's a Ghanaian song by Celestine Donkor Okronkron Hene, the magnificent God, and we're going to be playing it, as I said, in the key of E. Alright, so before I continue with this tutorial, I'd like to give a shout out to one of my friends, Jonnykeys. He's on YouTube. He also teaches basic piano, intermediate, and advanced. I'm going to leave his channel in the description. You can follow him. I also watch his videos, and I've been learning a lot from him. So if you are following me, you should essentially, find out what he's doing, and he's doing a great job. This song I'm about to teach you, he helped me with it, so you'll be seeing some of his handiwork in here. Alright, so let's get on with it. Okay, so I'm going to play a framework slowly. The song is in two frameworks. The very first verse and everything is like in one progression, and then the second part too is in another progression. So I'm going to play the two in a slow way, and then when I finish, I'll start teaching you everything that I just played. Okay, so Okronkron, Okronkron okay. Mirror something. Ogwama ufata, ogwama ufata, aiseu, nimuna enkwawa, enkani nipahe, aboni farara. So basically that's the song is within that framework. So for I played a 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is a chord 1, the triad, basic triad, chord 1, chord 2, and then chord 3. Then you come back to chord 1, and then 2, and then 3. So it's like this. Okronkron, Okronkron Hene, okay, so let me play it for you the way I played it. So I played this chord as my chord 1. It's an add 9. I replicated the E here, so like this, and then I played the. So you can play this as your chord 1, Okronkron. And then my chord 2, Okronkron. So this is how I played the chord 2. I'm playing a 4th chord, and then a second chord on the left. But you can play a major 7th on there. So it will be like this. Okronkron, Okronkron. Then I played a suspended chord on the suspended 5th. Oh, sorry, it's a 5th chord rather, but not a suspended. It's a sus2 chord. Okay, where you play the 5th note, the 1st note, and then the third note, sorry, the second note. So it's a sus2 like this. So, okay, so you play this one over the third chord. So I get 1, 2, then 3. So again, 1, 2, 3. Then you play. That's 1. Okay, so this is what I did. Sorry. Okay. Alright, so this is what I did. Then I left this one and I played everything over one. So I played a minor 9th chord. The 2, okay? The 2 I can play this way, okay? Over the left. I can also play like this, okay? This is a minor 9th, this is a minor 7th, minor 9th, minor 7th. Alright, so I can play any of them. So if you see this one is 2, if you see this one is 2, and if you see this one too, it is 2, chord 2. Alright, okay, so let's get on. Okronkron, Okronkron Hene. Okay, then this is my suspended over the third. Then Mary Santin starts. Mary Santin, Mary Santin. Okay, so from here I move to a 2, and then I play 2 over 5. So let's play everything together. Alright, so Okronkron, Okronkron Hene. Okay, then I go to a 2. Then Ogwama Ofata. Ogwama, let me play the simple chord. Ogwama Ofata. 4, 2. Then you play 5 over 1. Before the 5, it's a suspended chord. Okay, I am suspending the 5 here, so it's a 1. And then this one will move to this. The third note will move, will flatten to the 5th chord like this. So it's like this, and then okay, so it's like Gwama Ofata, Ofata, Gwama Ofata, Ofata, Gwama Ofata, Ofata, then 6, 7, 1. So Gwama Ofata, Ofata, Gwama Ofata, Ofata, Gwama Ofata. Sorry. 5 over this is 5, and this, sorry, it's always right first, so 1 over 5, and then I move back to 5, then 6, 7, 1. So this is how I played it. So 4, this is how I played my 4. Okay, 4, then the 7, sorry, the 2. Okay, then I played the 1 over the 5, then 6, this another minor 7th chord. Okay, so the B will come this way, so it becomes like this, and then this one too will come. So this is the chord. So Guama ufata ufata, Guama ufata ufata, Guama ufata ufata. Okay, so I'm playing a major chord over the 7th. Okay, like this. Instead of the diminished, I'm playing a major chord over the diminished before the 1. So Guama ufata ufata, Guama ufata ufata, Guama ufata ufata, aisamo. Then nimuna enkwawo, enkwani ni pahai, aboni fadada. Okay, so essentially it's following the same 4, 2, 5 over 1, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay, but okay, go. Before you move to the 4 chord, you can play 5 over 6 flat, or so sorry, it's a flat 7th chord. So 1, 2. This is note 1. This is 7, and this is the flat 7. So you play a major chord over the 5. So it's like it's D major. So before you move to the 4. So let's do it and let's see. Okay, so this is your chord 1. Okay, this is your chord 2. You can play chord 2 as this way. You can play it also as this way. So this or this way, okay, or this way as your chord 2. Then your chord 3, the first one, the verse, it's better you play this 1 for chord 3. Okay, and then there's this chord in it. All right. Okay, so okay. All right. So I also played this third chord. Apart from this one, you can also play this one, which is also a suspended chord. Okay, so all right. Then the Merisanti Hene, there's a place where it does a so it's a 1, 7, 6, 4, 5, 6. Then you go to a 2, 5, and then 2/5. So that's basically the whole progression for the song. Thank you for watching and God bless you.